Today lesson is reading. Today we are talking about Raigamaya and Gampolaya. If you are not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe today itself. Let's go to the lesson. Gampolaya was the name of a man of Gampola, an ancient capital town near Kandy, and Raigamaya was a man from Raigama, a village in the Kalutara district. The two were fast friends. One night they burgled a house, took away a box of jewelry, which they carried to the seashore, where they buried it in the sand and slept over it for safety. Before dawn, Gampolaya rose up, stealthily dug up the box quietly, buried it in the sea floor above which the water reached up to his neck, and returning to his place, slept again. Raigamaya, awakening a little later and discovering the disappearance of the box, noted that his companion's body was wet, licking the sleeping man's body. Raigamaya found that the salt taste stopped at the neck, whereupon he made for the sea, stopped where the water reached the neck, divide and scraping the sea floor near his feet, found the precious box. Fleeing from the place with the box in his hand, he hid himself in a stack of straw, which was lying in an outhouse nearby. Gampolaya walked in soon after and, realizing the situation, gave chase, seeing the big bundle of straw. He guessed that his friend lay hidden within. Close at hand, he saw a sockade, which he put round his neck and tugged at the bundle of straw. The sound of the clappers made the concealed Raigamaya believe that a bull or cow had come to eat the straw. Summoning all his courage, he jumped out with a shout and a yell to scare the intruder away, only to be clapped in the arms of Gampolaya. The pair thereupon had a hearty laugh together, and, becoming friends once again, divided the jewelry equally between them and, hand in hand, started on their homeward journey. More lesson, please subscribe our channel.